was.
Yeah, I picked up the other one this morning.
Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Look at my poor tree.
I know.
I don't know if I should rip it down or try and push it back up.
I tried to push it.
I tried to push it up too.
I think
it's
to
coming down.
to tell you the truth, I think we should just take it down because it's gonna impact our foundation, I think.
I don't think the roots are that deep. Oh, it's cold.
Look at that down there.
Joan hasn't asked me about doing laundry today yet.
What's the sense if we're gonna tear it down? No?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Well, look, they put all that stuff out. You know, and it wasn't even, you know what I'm saying? Chat, you got cars behind you coming. Oh my God.
Look, Walt, red Solo Cup. What's the sense if it's coming down?
What's this wire to?
I don't know. I mean, what do you think? I figured I'd just get all the important stuff, anything of any value.
You gotta do something about Sam.
Yeah. You know what I mean, Donna? Just remind me on the way back. I want to take a quick look and see if.
And here I sat and bagged all my stuff.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
This is horrendous.
I bagged all mine. Spent 3 days bagging it, and everybody's just, you know, patty cakes.
I don't think I want to really go too far.
Yeah,
It's
I
too
don't
damn
either.
cold. Let's turn around. I just wanted to get the feel of it, you know.
You wanna take a walk out onto Main Street?
All right.
I don't want to go too far either.